Welcome back into this new video Tech Express, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to import your products directly from AliExpress into your Shopify using DSers. So ready to start your Shopify store? Let's dive into DSers. Now the first thing to do, of course, is to install the DSers application into your Shopify administrator dashboard. So on the left sidebar, you want to click into the option that says Applications, Shopify App Store. So if you see here, I can focus into apps and sales channels and go for Shopify App Store. When I clicked in there, it's going to be displaying this Shopify App Store where I can just click in here and just type the application you want to install. In my case, it should be DSers. And here is the DSers AliExpress of the Shopify. So I'm going to click into it and I'm going to hit into install. It might be asking you to grant the access to open the application and to accept this. And then later on, it's going to be sending you directly here into the update. There we go. And then it's going to be asking you to create an account here into DSers. The process to do this is actually not that hard. What you just need to do to provide an email as well as passcode, verify that account, and make sure that you have installed DSers inside the Shopify App Store in order to have, let's say, for example, this in this case, this store connected and linked it into my Shopify. So I'm going to close this pop-ups. I'm going to head back and we are now inside DSers. So I'm going to head back directly into my applications. When I clicked into it, you can see that DSers is now correctly been installed. Now the next step is to connect your AliExpress account to your DSers. When you are into the first time here into DSers, it might be asking you to just sign in with an AliExpress account. If you don't have an AliExpress account, it's going to be just really simple. It's just to focus here into AliExpress, click into it, sign in, go back into DSers, and your account should be appearing in no time. So I'm going to go for OK. And then what's going to happen here is that I'm going to close this. And the first thing I wanted to do, of course, is to make sure that I have now selected products from AliExpress. All of these are products you can see from AliExpress. So what you need to do now is to select the product which you like to add into your store. Let's say, for example, I'm going to select this one. Now here, what you can do is to look out for the product which you like to add. You can see that here is the actual price. This is the actual title. This is the seller. As you can see, this comes from China. If you're okay with it, then what you want to do is to go back directly here into DSers and select the option that says add to the import list. So when you have now added this product into your import list, you might be choosing the language and go for confirm. Once you have done this process, I'm going to go into my import list that is going to be appearing here into the upper left section, which says import list. This is going to be appearing all the list of all the products that you have just added through time, and what you can do is to import as much as you want to. And once you have done this process, this element now, for example, we can be appearing into our Shopify store with just one click. So what you want to do is to select all the product which you like to add into the store and choose the option that says push to store. Then here it's going to be asking us to choose the store selection. Into the upper left corner, you can see that we have this code. After a quick start, we have 7D94, and here have 7D94. So make sure that you have enabled this store selection, so all of these products should be sent directly into the Shopify store. Then into my preferences, you can automatically inventory update, manual the price update, automatic price update, and so much more. Now here, I wanted to enable, here's the product cost, the shipping cost, and this is the actual price. So with this being said, what I can do now is to choose push to store. Now what's going to happen is that the DSer is going to be taking care of all the price, all the information, all the description, all the images, everything, absolutely everything, and it's going to be sending this directly into my Shopify store. And I don't have to do really anything, just to make sure everything has not been correctly been added. So for that, I'm going to head back directly into my Shopify store. I'm going to close this and I'm going to click here into the option that says products. Now, as you can see, here is my new product already been added, status active, and the inventory we have almost 3,000 into stock. So what I'm going to be doing here is to just select my title, check out the description. As you can see, here are my images. Here's the actual pricing. If you wanted to change this, you can do it so I can just go for the 2 variants. Now let's say that this one cost $4, $3 for example, and you can just change them. Once you finish with this process, I think the last thing to do for me is just to select the right title for it, which is Dog Cooling Bandana Collar. I'm gonna just add a scarf, saved it. And really important is to choose the option that says preview, so I can view this directly into my store. This is how it should be appearing into my website. So there you have it, guys. The process of creating your elements here into Shopify, to adding from DSers, from AliExpress into DSers and DSers into Shopify, actually it's going to be really, really simple. Once you have done this process, what you can do, well, after you have edited all your products, you can finalize your product into Shopify. And well, importing products from AliExpress to your Shopify is actually going to be really, really easily processed. So what products are you most excited to import into DSers, or what's your top tip for optimizing AliExpress product listing? You can let me know in the comments below. If this tutorial helped you master DSers, hit that like button, share this button with any fellow dropshipper, and make sure to subscribe to Express for more essential e-commerce guiding, cutting edge dropshipping strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.